Hello friends, welcome to the channel Gyan Academy. I hope you are doing good. In this Excel training, I will be covering all Excel topic from basic to advanced. Even the basic which I will be covering will be a bonus to the professionals. Our today's topic is title bar and quick access bar. As a beginner or professional, we use this option on daily basis, but many people don't know what is the name of this function. I'll tell you in details what is title bar and what is quick access toolbar. As a bonus, I will also share you a quick hack using which you can save your daily data processing time as well as manual touch point. Let's jump into the topic. So the area where your file name is mentioned when you save a file into your system or share drive. So the name of the file where it is mentioned, that is called title bar, and on left top corner there will be some favorite options or command. I'll say that particular favorite option or command is called quick access toolbar. This particular functions work as a like favorite. If you are using a command very frequently, that you can add it over here. I will share you a hack how to add a favorite command. For example, this particular option where it is, if you hover your cursor on this option, you can see the name. It is showing like customize quick access toolbar. If you click on this option, you can see a name more command. If you click on this option, so the popular commands will be appearing on this dialog box. So if you wanted to use any of this popular command, you can just simply click and then add on this quick access toolbar. This function, this particular field is the quick access toolbar. You can just simply add it and click OK. It will get added. Now I will give you one of the example how you can save your daily data processing time. For example, if you are using a large data set and in that large data set your boss is telling you to remove or identify duplicate values. So what simply you can do, you can simply add duplicate value command from the command center. Just show you. So here is the duplicate value. Just add it on the quick access toolbar and click OK. Now you can see that duplicate value command is added over here. Okay. Now let's assume this is your large data set out of which you have to identify the duplicate values. So now just simply select. So the old method is you need to go into the conditional formatting, click on the highlight cell values, and then here the duplicate value option is mentioned. Now the option which we have added over here on the quick access toolbar, it will help you by simply clicking on this one and click OK. You can see all the duplicate values are appearing. Okay. Now I'll share you one more hack. Simply just click Alt in your keyboard and you can see on the fifth position your new favorite option is appearing. So now what you can do, just simply select your data and then click Alt and then 5. You can see that duplicate value option is appearing. Now just simply click OK and you can see all the duplicate values are displayed by the duplicate value command. This is really going to save your time if you are working on a large data set. Thank you for watching.